How to easily hide or unhide contacts on Android using Google Contacts. So if you want to easily hide or unhide contacts on Android using Google Contacts, then what you need to do is first, you just need to simply open up your Google Contacts application. After opening your contacts, you need to just simply go and select the contact that you would like to hide. Like for example, I'll just simply go and select a contact. Here you need to go with the top right, or you may not find the option of hide contact right here. What you need to do is just simply go back and then open up your Google, tap on your profile and then tap on manage your Google account right here. And here you need to scroll down and then go with people and sharing. And then you will have contacts. Scroll down and then tap on your contacts. Now once you find your contacts, just simply go and select the contact that you would like to hide. So I'll just simply go and select the contact, and on the top right you will have the three dots and you will have an option of hide from contacts. You need to tap on it and it will be hidden from your Google Contacts. Once you've hidden, you can just simply go with the three dots which will be on the top right again, and then you'll be able to unhide it. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.